Hello and welcome to How Logical. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can set up a passkey on TikTok. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First and foremost, what you need to do is open up your TikTok account. Then you can see your profile on the bottom right hand side. Go ahead and tap on profile and you can see the three lines on the top right hand side. Go ahead and tap on these three lines and go to settings and privacy. After that, you can see account on the top. Go ahead and tap on account and you can see the passkey. You can set up a passkey to log into your TikTok account with your Android Face or Touch unlock. So TikTok can access the biometric data. Just go ahead and tap on this, tap on setup and tap on got it. So if this process doesn't occur, wait for a while and you will be headed to another portal and you can set up a passkey. For now, you can see that TikTok doesn't recognize this if browser, so log in with the device you've used before will be shown. So you must just go ahead and log in with your previous device and you can easily set up a key. So you can try ahead and do this, wait for a while, and you can set up a key from which you can log into TikTok with your Android Face or Touch unlock. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.